These are my adorable pandan and raspberry cream cheese dessert shooters. Let me show you how I make them. Hubby got me this set of biscuit cutters from Amazon and they were less than 10 bucks. I'm cutting 3 different sizes to fit my 5-ounce dessert cups. This is a thin quarter-sized pandan sheet cake I made using batter from my pandan cake recipe, so go watch that and make it. You can also use cupcakes and slice them into 3 layers like I did here. Now let's make our whipped cream frosting. This will be enough for at least 12 5-ounce dessert cups. To your mixing bowl, you want to add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Let this mix slowly at first so your powdered sugar doesn't go flying everywhere. Once it becomes more incorporated, you can slowly increase the speed and don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl often. Once it's homogeneous, slowly add in 1.5 to 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a little at a time. You don't want to just pour it all in at once because your mixture may become clumpy. More heavy whipping cream just means that you'll have a lighter texture and taste, whereas less will give you a thicker and richer cream cheese taste. So taste as you go along and adjust to your taste buds. In my video, I use 2 cups because that's my preference, but feel free to adjust it to your liking. And make sure to remember to scrape the sides of your bowl as you mix so you don't get clumps. And here, I'm adding my homemade double fold vanilla, which is so delicious. I don't really measure, I just pour, but it's probably about a teaspoon. Once your cream cheese mixture has nearly tripled in volume like this, and it looks like clouds, but it's nice and thick, you can stop because this is the texture you want and you don't want to overmix. Now let's finish assembling the rest of our cake cups. I'm using Star Tip 21, but you can use any tips or no tip at all. This just makes it easier and more efficient to add our cream cheese frosting into our cups. If you don't have piping bags, that's okay. Just use sandwich bags and that works just as well. Just add your cream cheese frosting and cut a corner off. I have really hot hands, so I don't use big piping bags for this because my hands will literally melt everything. So I just refill my bag as I need to. You can pipe any design you want. I'm keeping it simple and I'm just doing swirls. Now, add in about 1 tablespoon of raspberry sauce, and I have a video for that too, so go watch it and make it. In hindsight, I probably should have used a piping bag because that would have made this process easier. But I didn't, so make sure you do that. Now I'm just repeating the process of adding my cake and then adding my cheesecake swirl. When you add your raspberry sauce, make sure to smooth it all the way to the edge so that it's touching the cup so you have a nice presentation. And this is where a piping bag would have been so much more efficient, especially if you're making a lot. So do like I say and don't do like I do. Repeat the process once more and add your final swirl on top. I added some fresh raspberries on top, and since my raspberries weren't very sweet, I added some powdered sugar, which I thought was the perfect touch for a snowy Christmas treat. When you make these though, wait until you're about ready to serve to add the powdered sugar because I had these in the fridge for a few days and by then my snow had melted. These cups also came with some cute dome lids, which I thought was wonderful because it made them look just like little snow globes. Are you gonna go make some?